In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time on Sierra chart. Now, the first thing you can do, of course, is set the global time zone or change the session times. So let me show you how to do both. First things first, global time zone can be set up here. If you go to global settings and then click on time zone settings down here at the bottom right, you'll be able to basically set your time zone. So here's the list. You could go ahead, pick the one you want, click on it, click on apply all, and then OK. That's the first thing. The second thing you could also do is, of course, you could change the session times for individual charts via the following method. You could go to the chart up top left, and then when you are on the chart, you want to go to chart settings, which is the first setting over here, and then here you'll be able to see session times. Click on this over here, and if this is going to work right now, let me go, there we go, session times, and then in here you can go ahead and basically set or change time. So that's how to do it. After that, click apply, OK, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.